Alright, so today we are going to do some crafts using eggshells again, and this time I have got hold of some egg cartons as well. And of course, I have to mention this is Zuni's puppy, and this puppy will also play some role in future. Keep watching. What I have also done is cut these cartons and made it like this. How it will be used, we are trying to make some kind of doll because the eggs will actually require something to be placed and seated on. So you can actually glue it here. I have got a glue gun. If you do not have a glue gun, a sellotape may help, but a glue gun definitely helps. The reason behind that is because eggs are very delicate. Right. Thank you. So as you can see that from the egg carton craft, nothing is redundant. So these are the collection of eggs which has been used over a few days or a week, and so we have tried to make a kind of binoculars for her, which we will do. This can go as a cap, and it can then be made as an octopus or something like that. So we'll try and innovate out of it. Keep watching. All right, so this is almost what is made. So the different faces, one I have left completely blank that I have created. Now comes the time where this one is just waiting. No, Zuni, it will break her. So what I'm going to do is make my child draw this, like basically paint this with a brush, paint down. You can also cut papers and add dresses, etc. down there, which is a fun activity to do. And then at the end of the day, we will make the faces. I will make one face and keep watching. Okay, so more or less I have completed making the faces. Now of course my daughter will take over, so I'm taking a look. So this is one. So the more expressions you make, the better it is. And so the trick is now that color this part, add a little bit of paper. What I have also made a sort of binocular which you also use like a party mask and something like that. That is something which I have made. So now we will color it, we will add a little bit more frills, we will have more fun, and then we will have an activity which actually shows that how they are different characters and how they look. Keep watching. I'm going to show a few tricks. One way is definitely to color it with a brush, which of course my daughter is going to do. The other is you can add a little bit of embellishments in it. Like say for example, this I have a double colored paper, so it just adds it to the to the fun of it. So what we can do is just cut it in a triangle, then like this. And then what we can do is cut it like use the remaining part almost like a circle. We have a zigzag knife, so I could have cut it already with the zigzag knife, but earlier also you can cut it in a zigzag base. It's easier that way because my knife has lost its edge. Sorry, it looks a little clumsy. Rather what I will try and do, I will show an easier way. So I have something pre-cut. I will show you how it looks. Like you can put black at the bottom and then paste it a little top and just wrap it around. It adds a little bit of glamour to it, right? So now there are different ideas that you can go and play around. Similarly, this also can have, it can come even at the bottom, like in the same one I can have something at the top as a main color and add it almost like a frill of the dress, right? Play around with these ideas and we will show you how it comes around. Thank you. क्या कर रही हो? मैं कलर कर रही हूँ। क्या कलर कर रही हो? इसको देखो, दिखाओ इधर। ये क्या है? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? चश्मा। नहीं, बाइनोकुलर्स हमने बोला था ना। So this is the current situation in my house. I have employed everyone, and with the belief that they will entertain themselves, and I will be able to entertain you all.
Polar colors.
Okay, people, meet these lovely faces. They are getting some more dress up done. thanks to this madam. Look here, Zuni. And her assistant, who of course is doing more work than the boss, but that's what life is. ये सब क्या है Zuni? और तुम्हारे आंखों में क्या है?
डायनासोर।
ये डायनासोर है या बाइनोकुलर है?
बाइनोकुलर है।
अच्छा, और ये सब क्या है?
ये सब डोर है।
किससे बना?
अंडे से।
अच्छा, और तुमने क्या किया?
मैंने इसको पेंटिंग किया।
अच्छा, वेरी गुड। चलो अभी हम इससे एक प्ले करेंगे, ठीक है?